Hi, my name is Meredith Moss, and I chose prompt 1 for my exam video 2. Some basic terms to begin with are epistasis, which is the interaction between genes that influences a phenotype. Genes that are considered to be dominant are stronger and they mask recessive genes, which is important to know. A dihybrid cross is a cross between two different lines or genes, like two different people that differ in hair color or height, just different observed traits. And a phenotypic ratio is the frequency of offspring that have a particular trait or combination of traits. There are 6 different modes of epistasis, but for the purpose of this video, we'll only be discussing single dominant epistasis. Here, this pathway illustrates that horses that have a big B allele come out black in color. Horses that have a homozygous little b allele come out brown, where horses that have homozygous little c alleles come out white. This makes more sense when looking at a dihybrid cross, where we can see all of the genotypes when the horses are crossed with two parents that have a big A, big B, little b genotypes. You'll see in the next slide the phenotypes of these horses and the ratio of how they all turn out different colors. It is very noticeable here that the big B is dominant because there are 9 black horses. In order for a horse to be brown or white, they would either have to be homozygous little b or homozygous little c, which is not showing up as much in these phenotypes. Here we have another dihybrid cross. This is crossed with a parent that has a big A, big B, little b genotype, and a parent that has a homozygous little a and heterozygous b genotype. All of these different genotypes in blue are the 16 different possibilities of what their children could end up looking like. Here you see that there's an 8-8 ratio from this cross, and there will be no white horses that come from these two parents, only black or brown. Thank you all so much for your time.